Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal, and I'm at a house that has a terrible raccoon problem. And let me show you. Here's our first hole. The soffit is rotted out because there's a problem with the roof, and the raccoons are crawling down from the gutter onto this little roof, or this awning. There's some poo-poo right there, and they're climbing up into that hole. There's some paw prints right there. Then we come over here. They're going up through here. If we look, we can see there's a hole in the roof. All of the fascia trim's rotted out. The rafter tails are starting to rot. The soffit's rotted. Downspouts are supposed to be white, and these are so filthy they're starting to turn gray or brown. You see the filthy paw prints here. Critters are crossing over on the stick. They're climbing up from down here. The downspout's all dirty with paw prints. If we look here at the fence, this is all scratched. This is dirty from paw prints. This is all scratched up. It's all scratched up from raccoons walking on it. We've got a hole here in the fence. This is all rubbed and worn and polished from animals crossing through. All scratched up here. So this is a pretty severe problem. So we will let the owner of this property know that they need to get the roof fixed and the soffits fixed in order to provide a long-term solution. But this is pretty severe. Thank you.